What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another what's in the box, what's in the beat up box video for the Revell 125th scale Honda Civic hatchback 2-in-1 tuner series, the BRAP series. You can build it two ways, either stock or aftermarket tuner style. This was a once again an eBay make offer score. It was open box, open parts. They said it was complete, but it's not. We'll get to that in a minute. We're gonna pop the top, set that over there so it doesn't fall over if it'll cooperate. Jump it and jag it. I've already been through this kit. Some bags are sealed, some are open. They listed it as complete, but it was not. I went through and found what was missing, and I emailed them back and said, you know, it's missing a couple of somewhat critical parts, and they sent me a refund. Full refund. I wasn't expecting that. I was just telling them that, you know, just a heads up, you shouldn't list stuff as new when it isn't. I was a little bit bummed, but so I went through, you know, because they said it was here and it was all open. I went through, and like I do, I'll take a green and a red Sharpie, green for everything that's there and red for what's missing. And the only parts that I found that were missing, the only parts are the driver's seat, the passenger headlight chrome insert, passenger side chrome insert, it's that part, and the mirror inserts. All three of which are relatively easy fixes. I mean, the driver's seat, I've got seats. I can find some from my parts bin. The passenger side chrome insert, my thought was, I mean, I could probably make something. Where's the part where that goes? Where's it go? Well, whatever. I could probably fabricate something to fit behind there, but then I thought, you know what? I could also make that a big hole for turbo cooling. Hey, headlight, schmedlight. Just put some aftermarket lights in the middle, rally style, and hang a big intercooler off the front. Put a hole there with a tube. I don't know. We'll figure something out. The mirror inserts, I mean, that's just flat sheet. That's the easy fix. So, whatever. I basically got this thing for free. I wasn't trying to get anything out of it, but cool. Very cool. I mean, I once again managed to steal a model. I don't know. Decals are, they're pretty yellowed and they're somewhat warped. I don't know. They may or may not work. I see some breakage in some of it. I'm not a huge decal fan anyways. I mean, I've got some carbon fiber stuff. I'll just use that instead of this. What's that? Looks like probably speakers. You know, you gotta have your beats. Boom, boom, boom. The instrument cluster, I mean, hopefully one of those will work. They look okay. They don't look great. They don't look horrible. So, you know, whatever. Again, I can't complain for the price anyways. The hot hatch, huh? Honda. Very cool. Pretty excited about this one. I've been on a big tuner kick lately. Working on a Subaru BRZ. You can see that in the background over there. I've done the Focus. I've done the Acura. So, where do I start? Let's just pull the clear parts off to the side. Single piece front, rear, and side windows, which there's no masking stickers, but they're prominent enough that running some tape and then, you know, pushing that down to get it to fit right, and then painting that is not too hard. Optional headlights cover. I also thought that what might work for fixing that is just a smoke. Put a smoke on it. You know, put maybe like a piece of tinfoil or something behind it to kind of look like that. So I've got one. We've got something to base an idea off of. And then just smoked headlights. So you can't really see what's behind there anyways. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll fix it somehow. Wheel options. It's got two different options for tail light lenses. Two different styles. There's your cold air intake, single piece exhaust, decent looking wheels, and then we've got another set of wheels, valve cover, exhaust, what is that, a mirror, and the other, oh that's right, here we go. I'll have to recover those, keep them from melting onto the plastic. And we've got 4 more wheels and tires. So it's thin rubber band style tuner series tires. Good looking rubber. Some detail up parts, grill, mesh, exhaust tip, hood, looks like it's in good shape, interior and part of the underside. Got nice details on the engine bay. It's good prominent lines. Those will paint up really nice. Get some good details just like the Accord did. Same with the door panels. Got different portions that's really easy to tape that off to give it a good two-tone look. Underside also has some nice good raised prominent details that will also paint up really well. Easy to pull those details out. Same with the dashboard. Really nice details going on through there. That'll kind of make it pop. Body panels, rocker panel add-ons, mirrors, a couple different bumper front styles. Which one I'll go with? I'll probably go with this one with the shark fin. Same with the rear. A couple different styles and a wing. So I was glad to see that the wing is there. That's pretty bitchin'. That gives it the whole tuner vibe. And then the one seat. Oh no, wait. Oh my gosh, it does have 2 seats. It just doesn't have the seat back. Wow, I was totally wrong. Ooh, gosh, now I feel that. I better email them and tell them that I was incorrect. I mean, because that is a really easy fix. I can just put a piece of flat sheet over that, really. Wow, I really feel bad now. I'm going to email them right away. Tell them that, you know what, if you need to charge me, that's fine. It was my mistake. I also told them that I didn't leave a bad review. It was quick shipping. They were, quick to respond. Good details. Nice details on the fan. Those will also pull out really well with the small paintbrush. And the suspension as well with your CV axles and springs. And then lastly, the engine. Good details on there. That also will paint out really well. So brake, rotors, and calipers with some, good raised caliper that will paint up really well, so it'll peek through the wheels. So that about does it with the Revell Tuner Series Honda Civic hatchback 2-in-1. Wow, I really feel bad now. Once I finish this, I'm gonna send an email off to them and say, look, I was incorrect. It actually doesn't have the seat back. No big deal. But like I said, when I sent them the original email, they were really immediately responded and said, oh, we're really sorry, we'll send you a full refund right away. Like, oh, whoa, that's not at all what I was after, but thank you. So, whatever, gotta do the right thing. Keeping it straight. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Smash that button to get notified, to get more videos like this. and we'll see you in the next one. Just a quick follow-up. I emailed the people that I bought this from and told them that it was my mistake. The parts that were missing were not that big of a deal. That the only thing that really was missing was the headlight insert and the seat back. And what was the other thing that I mentioned? I can't remember now. Not a big deal. They responded back saying that's fine, thank you for reaching out, and to go ahead and keep the kit and the refund. So, wow, you know, being honest and forthcoming pays off. Free kit, basically. So, stoked.